Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a phone unboxing. So I did get the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're going to be unboxing it in this video. Also with some accessories that I picked up as well. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. So to start off with, the company that I have is T-Mobile. So this is my bag. I did have to order my phone though, but I picked up my accessories while I was at the store, which are in the bag. That's what I have the bag for, so we will go through that later. But first we're going to unbox the phone. So with my phone, I did get it quite quickly. I just went and ordered it on Sunday and today is Wednesday. And I already got it and it's the same week. So it didn't take long at all for it to come in. So let me pan y'all down so y'all can see me unboxing the phone. It's kind of hard for me to see what y'all could see, but I can kind of see. All right, so this is my old phone. And this is the 10X Max. So I still have this phone, and I decided kind of that I would probably get an iPhone every other one instead of getting one every time. So this is the box. Of course, on the front it has my info. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. So now that we're done with that box, it just had this one little piece of styrofoam type paper in it to kind of protect it, which is not really much. You know, it should have had a little bit more padding than that. But the actual phone, this is the packaging of it. As you can see, it says iPhone here on the side. And on this side, of course, the packaging looks really nice. It's really flat because y'all know we don't get all of the chargers and all of that stuff this time. So you can just peel this off. And then the plastic comes right off. Apple always has really nice packaging and they make it really easy to get into. So this is the back of the box. And then here is the front. I believe the packaging is different colors depending on the phone that you have. So I don't know if y'all already know what color I have by looking at it, but you just take this off and then boom, have our phone here. So this is the phone itself, and I hadn't seen it in person really. I just chose the color that I like the most as far as, you know, just what I like, period. So I did get the silver one, and I was thinking that the back wasn't gonna be white, but I don't mind it. I guess it's kind of like a really light grayish silver color. It kind of looks like a pearly white. So this is the phone, and you can see it has the 3 cameras, and I'm going from the regular standard phone because I didn't get the 11. So the camera should be so much better, which is great because I'm about to have my daughter, so it'll be great for pictures. And then here is the front of the phone with the cover on it, which is white, and it kind of just gives you an outline of the different buttons. So let's remove this, and then here we go. Really pretty. And the sides, I love how the silver is a really beautiful bright silver. Like it's not like a dull silver, like it's really shiny, like really chrome, if you know what I mean. So then here's this side and the front and the bottom. So super cute. And then this is the back once again, and the cameras. Okay, so as I'm getting the phone nice and dirty, let's go ahead and power her on just to see what she does. I'm probably not gonna set it up right now. I have somewhere to go, but I just wanted to unbox it. Okay. So there we go. She's loading. You can see the Apple logo. And let's see what kind of little noise we get. So it says hello. It didn't even make a noise. So yeah, now it's already pulling up for the setup, but you can see, I don't know if you could see on the screen, but the clarity looks really nice and everything. So yeah, also inside of the box, these are the items that you will receive, which is this cable right here, which is the USB-C to lightning cable. It doesn't have the USB-A, which is the normal one. And I've heard that if you want to use your old one, you can, but it is going to charge slower. And you have this little book thing here with the manual, I guess, in it. Oh, and it also has the thing to pop your, it also has the thing to pop your SIM card out, a little Apple sticker, and then you have your little manual here. I'm not going to switch to my phone just yet. I'm going to take it to get my screen protector put on. So that's pretty much all that comes in the box. You don't have any headphones and you don't have the actual charging brick. You only get the cord, which I guess it's nice that they included something instead of you having to buy everything. So that's what comes in the box. So now let's go through the accessories that I picked up. The screen protector that I picked up is the Invisible Shield Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus Advanced Strength with Blue Light Filter. So I got this from the T-Mobile store. I always get mine from them. I prefer to get their screen protectors versus ones like from Amazon and stuff, because whenever I use the ones from the store, they seem to be better quality for one, but also anytime I drop my phone and I break the screen protector, I just go back to the store and they will take off the old one and put a new one on with no charge. So I don't know if y'all have T-Mobile or if other companies do this as well, but I think it's definitely worth it. But the screen protectors are a lot more expensive than like if you were to buy it on Amazon or something. So this particular one retails for $50, $49.99, which is really expensive for a screen protector. But like I said, it is really good and they will replace it, you know, really simple and easy, no questions asked. So it kind of has this little thing in the front that shows you, but the box is actually sealed and I don't want to open it because I'm going to take this with the phone to the store and let them put it on so they can't try to void my warranty or anything where I go and get my new one whenever they break, you know. So I did also pick up a phone case as well. Of course, I plan on ordering some cute ones and like designer print ones and stuff like that, but I needed something to use as soon as my phone came in. And at the store, they usually have Casemates or like Kate Spade cases and stuff. And I found this one. So this one was really cute and it was totally me. So this one is by Casemate and this is called the Twinkle Stardust case. And this one has drop protection. So Casemate is really good because their cases are really sturdy. It does have a little plastic over it, but you can still see. So this is it. It's really glittery. And this side, the glitter is encapsulated into the case, like it's not like you can feel it or anything, but it kind of just pulls iridescent, like you can see blue, pink, purple, green, yellow, like you can see all the colors in it. And this is totally me. Really, really cute, and the case is really good and protective. So I have this case to start off with. So those are the items that I picked up so far for my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I did get the silver one with the 256 gig because I didn't really need the 500. I had the 200 and something on the phone that I have now and I still have space. But I didn't want to get just the 100 gig because I feel like that just wasn't enough. So yeah, I guess I'll start setting up my phone by just putting in my Wi-Fi code and stuff like that. And let's see, it's loading and it feels really nice in my hand. As far as a comparison, let me just show y'all the difference in size, because maybe you're going from a phone that like what I had to the new iPhone. So I'll just show you a comparison of the size. So let's see, they look kind of the same actually. So this is the difference in the phones. And I do have a case on this one, but you know, they kind of look the same. Like, I don't feel like it's that big of a difference. Maybe the screen is a little bit further down, or no, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think they look kind of the same. Okay, so that is pretty much it for my iPhone 12. What is it? My iPhone 12 Pro Max. Did I say X earlier? I don't know, but yeah, that's it for my new iPhone. If y'all have questions, leave them down below. Of course, I will do a what's on my phone once I get everything set up. And this time, I don't want to transfer all of my pictures to my phone because I have like over 16,000 pictures, and I just kind of really want to start fresh and only put a few on my phone that are like recent and stuff on the new phone. So that's my plan this time. So I need to get the phone set up and stuff, and then I will do a what's on my phone, and of course a case video once I order some cases and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you are going to pick up the new iPhone, which one you're gonna get, because they have so many different ones. They have the mini, they have the Pro, they have the Pro Max. They have so many different ones, and then they also have a variety of colors. So let me know if you're going to pick up one, which one you're going to get, and also which color you're going to get. And happy shopping. Bye, dolls.